In this video, we're going to see if two shapes are similar or not based on their lengths. Now, in the previous video, we saw that two shapes are similar shapes if they're the same shape, and therefore the same angles, but potentially a different size. And another important property is that all the lengths will scale in the same way. So all the lengths are scaled in the same way by the same scale factor. So if we look at the smaller rectangle, let's just compare the same kind of length. So we take the smaller length of the rectangle, which is 5, and let's look at the smaller length of the bigger rectangle, which is 15. So the shape, in addition to being made larger, is actually rotating at the same time. So the 5 is initially on the bottom, the smaller shape. When it's scaled up, that shorter length of 15 is actually on the left side of the shape. So it's being rotated like that. So let's find this scale factor between the blue lengths. We can see from the 5 to the 15, it's getting 3 times bigger. So we just do the 15 divided by the 5, the second number divided by the first. So the scale factor is 3. But let's look at the longer lengths. So this 7 here and this 28 here. What's that scale factor? Well, if you divide the 28 by the 7, you get a scale factor of times by 4. And that means these shapes aren't being enlarged in a consistent way because the shorter length is being made 3 times bigger, but the longer length is being made 4 times bigger. But in order to be similar, you have to scale all the lengths in the same way. So these shapes are therefore not similar, and the answer is no.